Okay. Hello everyone. So the question given is show that voltage leads current by 90 degrees in an inductive circuit. So this just means it's an RL series circuit. So let us draw R, resistance and inductance both together connected in an AC supply. Okay. This is R and this is L. Voltage across R will be VL, VR, and voltage across L would be VL. So this is the thing. So what happens is when you are just connecting resistance, when only resistance is connected, voltage across the resistance and current will be in same phase. Means they will be in the same line. Now when you are connecting inductance, what happens? Voltage will lead current. So I can draw voltage on the top and current will be at the back side. So I can say voltage leads current by 90 degrees. Now let us combine both the figures in one. So this will give you the phasor diagram of VR and I, and this is your total voltage VL. This will be your voltage V. Now you simply apply Pythagoras theorem to this. How will you do? So that would give us. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem state? Hypotenuse square is equals to 2 side square. So I can write V is equals to under root VR square plus VL square. What is VR? Voltage across resistance, that is I into R, nothing but Ohm's law. What is VL? I into XL, I into XL. Just substitute this. So what is XL? Inductive reactance. So if you substitute, you'll get I into R whole square plus I into XL whole square. So that would give us what? If you take I common, you will get under root R square plus XL square. So what is I now? I is equals to P by under root R square plus XL square. So that would be P by Z, where Z is called as impedance. Z is called impedance. Now in the question, if he is asking you to calculate Z, how will you do? So for Z, the formula would be under root R square plus XL square. Now there is a formula for XL also. So XL is nothing but inductive reactance and the formula is omega L. So omega is nothing but 2 pi F and this will give us L. Now if you observe the figure, we have to calculate power factor. So what is the formula to calculate power factor? So that is nothing but cos phi. So that is nothing but cos phi. So power factor cos phi is equals to, what is the formula for cos phi? Adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. So this is adjacent, this is opposite, and this is your hypotenuse. So the formula for power factor cos phi is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So that would give you VR by P. What is VR? I into R. What is V? If you observe, what is V here? So V is nothing but I into Z, right? So V is nothing but I into Z. So you will get cos phi is equal to R by Z. That's all. So this is your power factor. Now next is phase angle. Phase angle. What is phase angle? Formula for tan phi. What is tan phi? Opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. So what you will get? VL by VR. Side opposite to theta is phi is VL and VR is nothing but adjacent. So VL is nothing but I into XL. What is VR? I into R. So that would give us, so what it would give us? XL by R. So what I want phase angle, no? So phase angle is denoted by phi. So which is given by the formula tan inverse XL by R. So this completes the RL derivation. Now in the question, he'll be giving us the value of R. R will be given to us. L will be given to us. For example, if L is given as millihenry, L value. For so let us suppose 318 millihenry is given. So what you will write? It will be 318 into 10 power minus 3. Why 10 power minus 3? Because it's milli. And he will be giving you voltage. Okay, he'll ask you to calculate impedance. The formula is under root R square plus XL square. For this, you can refer your class works. You have the formula for XL. XL is equals to omega L. What is the formula for omega? 2 pi FL. If he is asking us to calculate current, the formula would be I is equal to V by Z most of the times. But sometimes the Z value cannot be found. So in that case, what you will do? You will use I is equal to V by R. So that depends on the question how is asking. Right, and if he's asking you to calculate power factor, the formula is cos phi is equals to R by Z. And you should remember the units for impedance, units for XL, unit for XC, unit for that's all. So the units for all these are ohms. So writing units is very much important. So the units are ohms. So let me write it here, units.